Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my students. Okay, so in this video, I had select or choose 4 questions out of might be more than 20 questions from the collection of Pspm that you have in your tutorial books. So please do refer to the numbers of the questions. Okay, so these are all the questions that I select for all of you. So hopefully that with this video, it helps you to look at how to solve some of the questions from the 3 parts, which is from conics. We have circle, ellipse, and parabola. Okay, I choose 4 questions with a different type. So hopefully that it helps you to begin the tutorial we call the Pspm questions and continue with the rest of the questions from all the questions that we provide to all the students then. Okay. So then the first question I chose here, an equation of x squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 represent a parabola. You mentioned here. So determine the vertex, focus, and rectix of the parabola, meaning here we need to form this in the standard equation of x minus h squared equal to 4p y minus k. So how should I guess that it is a equation of x minus h squared? Because there's only one variable of x with a degree of 2. Y, the highest is 1 here. Okay, so then x squared minus 4x equal to 4y minus 8. Okay, so we call completing the square for this part here. X squared minus 4x plus negative 4 divided by 2 square minus negative 4 divided by 2 square equal to 4y minus 8. So then these 3 parts here, we simplify x minus 2, negative 4 divided by 2, x minus 2 squared, minus negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2 square equal to 4y minus 8. Then x minus 2 square equal to 4y. Negative 4 bring to here become positive, so negative 8 plus 4 minus 4. So then x minus 2 square equal to 4y minus 1. Okay, so the highest degrees of x squared, so we just imagine that we relate with the equation of y equal to x squared. Okay, y equal x squared, where we call the graph is where the curve will set or smile, something like this. Okay, and then compare this with this one here, 4p equal to 4, then p equal to 1. Okay, now the vertices of we call the parabola, h and k for equation of parabola does not represent the center of that parabola. Okay, h and k represent the center for ellipse and circle. For this one here, it is 2 and 1 represent the vertices of the parabola. Okay. So now, the vertices is 2 and 1. 2 and 1 here. Where p is positive, so then the graph not really something like that, I know. Okay. Something like that here. Okay, and then the focus, since that this vertex is 2 and 1, so p, so it we call move 1 unit above here, then this is the focus. Okay, so the x remain here as a 2, and from 1 move 1 unit above, so 1 plus 1. According to the P here is also 2. Okay, so then the distance here equal to 1, and also the distance from this point to 1 here, meaning the directrix is on the x-axis. Okay, where the directrix here, which is y equal to 0, or along the x-axis. Okay, now the second question for this part here, show the tangent line to the parabola at the point of A and B intersect at the right circle. Okay, I clear this first and clear this too. Okay, the tangent to the parabola at the point of -2. Okay, let's say -2 here, and okay, okay, here's right here, -2 and 5. So the graph, okay, somewhere around here, this is -2 and 5. This is an A, and B is 3. Okay, let's say 3 here, and 5.4. So this is B. Okay, now class, for this question, which I think that this what we call the point of A and B, and then we are going to find out, okay, let's say here, so this is the, we call the tangent of this parabola, the tangent line focal, because this is the reference here now, A, and the straight line goes to here, and then this point of B, okay, for a while. Sorry, I'm trying to recall using this ruler on this board. So just imagine that this is a point of B here, the point of B here, and the tangent line, they meet and cut at this point, where is on the right side, intersect at right angle. Okay, intersect. This is the left side, left angle, and this is the right angle. So to form the equation of this line and equation of this line, we need to find that we call the dy dx. Okay, for parabola, it has no center, just like a circle. So in circle, we can use the point of circle with the point of here, and then we can form the gradient of normal and find the gradient of tangent. So for this one here, what we can do here now is from x squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 8, look at me like this, -4y equal to -x squared plus 4x minus 8. So leave -4y, left -4y on the left side. So this one, and this one bring to the side. So we get it here now. And then y equal to negative divided by negative 4, come up with x squared over 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 equal to negative x, and negative 8 divided by negative 4 equal to 2. So using dy dx, give us, so we call the gradient of the curve. Okay, so dy dx, differentiate this, 2 right here, so 2 divided by 4 equal to x over 2, no, sorry, x over 2 minus x. Okay, so using dy dx as a gradient of the curve, because point A and point B are actually on the same curve of parabola. We're talking about the one parabola here. So now, at a point of negative 2 and 5, so then dy dx equal to x. So negative 2 divided by 2 minus, and then x here, where x, no, differentiate x equal to 1, sorry. Okay, derivative of x, dy dx equal to 1. So then here, minus 1. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 equal to negative 2. So form the line of this, the equation of this line here, using the gradient of negative 2 with a point of negative 2 and 5. So y minus 5 equal to negative 2, then x minus negative 2, x plus 2 here. So then negative 2x minus 4y, negative 5 here become positive, plus 5. Then negative 2x plus 1. Okay, now at a point of, okay, I try to make a line of divide here. At a point of negative 3 and 5 over 4. So then dy dx equal to, here, 3 over 2 minus 1. 3 over 2 minus 1 equal to 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2, 1 over 2. So the equation here, y minus 5 over 4 equal to 1 over 2 x minus 3. Okay, so 1 over 2 times x minus 3 over 2, then y equal to, plus negative here become positive, 5 over 4. So then it is 1 over 2x. Make this one as a 4. 2 times 2 equal to 4. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. Negative 6 over 4 plus 5 over 4, negative 1 over 4. Okay, now they intersect at one point here, meaning equation 1 here and equation 2. Let's make these two equations as equal each other. Okay, so let me clear this first. Okay, which I think that all of you copied it all earlier, so I cleared everything. Okay, so then y1 equal to y2. So y1 equal to 2x plus 1 equal to 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4. So half here, 2x minus 1, okay, positive. It is half here, 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2, 1 over 2, half, okay. 1 over 2x, so positive may become negative, then negative 1 over 4, 1 here, bring up here, become negative, means that it is 4 over 4. 2 or 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, 3 over 2. X equal to negative 1 over 4 minus 4 over 4, negative 5 over 4. So then x equal to negative 5 over 4 times 3 over 2, or times divided by 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. Okay, so then 2, okay, equal to negative 5 divided by 6. Okay, I think there might be a mistake here because x is negative. There will be not on right side, it will be on left side. Where the mistake is here now? Okay, class, I make a simple careless mistake here because y1 equal to negative 2x plus 1. The put here is 2x. So then, so I clear all this. And put it negative here. Negative 2x plus 1 half x minus 1 over 4. So minus here, there you go. Okay, and then 1 over 4. Wait a minute. It's minus 1 over 4 here. Minus 1 over 4. So negative 2x plus 1 equal to half x minus 1 over 4. Okay, so then here negative 2x minus, okay, negative 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, negative 5 over 2x equal to, okay, negative 1 minus 4, negative 5 over 4. So then x equal to negative 5 over 4 divided by negative 5 over 2, or multiply with negative 2 over 5. Negative times negative, positive. So 2 with 4, 2 here, it is equal to 5 times 1 divided by 10, or 1 over 2. Okay, so means that this is a coordinate of x equal to 1 over 2. So what about y? So y, you substitute the value of x equal to half into here, equation 1 or equation 2. It's all up to you then. So y equal to negative 2, x equal to half, and then plus 1. Okay, so negative 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the coordinate of intersection between these two lines, and it is x equal to half, y equal to 0, and it is half and 0. There you go. Okay, next one, given this one here, 9x squared minus 72x plus 16y squared plus 32y equal to negative 16. Equation of an ellipse, write in the standard form. So then 9x squared minus 8x plus 16y squared plus 2. 16 times 2, 32. Okay, wait a minute. 16 times 2y. Okay, 2y here, and then 16 equal to 0. Okay, so 9. Okay, again, for this process of computing the square, x squared minus 8x plus negative 8 over 2 square minus negative 8 over 2 square plus 16 y squared plus 2y plus 2 over 2 square minus 2 over 2 square plus 16 equal to 0, then here, okay, these three plus it gives you x minus 4 squared minus negative 8 divided by 2, negative 4. Now negative 4 squared equal to 16 plus with 16. Okay, then these three terms here, it gives you y plus 1 squared minus negative 2 divided by 2, 1 squared is 1 plus 16 equal to 0. So 9 times this one here, 9 times x minus 4 square minus, okay, 9 times 16, 9 multiplied with 16 here equal to 144 plus with 16 times this one, 16 times y plus 1 square, 16 times negative 1 minus 16 plus 16 equal to 0. Cut these two, then we got 9x minus 4 square plus 16 y plus 1 square equal to 144. Okay, now we divide 134 left and right. Okay, so assume that everything here we divide by 144. So then 9 divided by 144, 1 over 16. So then x minus 4 square divided by 16 plus 16 divided by 144 equal to 1 over 9. So then y plus 1 square divided by 9 equal to 1. There you go. In the standard form, this is it. So then find the foci, vertices, length of major and minor axis. The center here, which is 4 and negative 1. Okay, since that 16 is greater than 9, so this one become the a. So that a square equal to 16, then a equal to plus minus 4. And b square equal to 9, then b equal to plus minus 3. Find the foci. Foci, focus, and we need to use find a c here. C square equal to a square minus b square. Which is bigger one is always become a, then a is always greater than b. So then 16 minus 9 equal to 7, then c equal to plus minus square root of 7. And since that a is under an x, so it is a horizontal ellipse. Horizontal ellipse. So find the foci from the center here, from the center of 4 and negative 1. So it moves, we call horizontally to the left and to the right. Meaning we call the value of 4. X is changes plus and minus square root of 7. So then the focus of F1 equal to 4 plus square root of 7 with y equal to negative 1, and F2 4 minus square root of 7 and y equal to negative 1. Length of major and minor axis, V1 for the major. Okay, let's assume that this is V1, here is V2, this is V3, and here is V4, the minor. Okay, V1 the major here. Okay, 4 plus, okay, a equal to 4 here. 4 plus 4 equal to an 8. Because the center here is at 4 and 1. Center at 4 and 1. So if move 4 units to the left, 4 minus 4 equal to 0 and negative 1. V2 from 4, move 4 into the right, 4 plus 4 equal to 8. and negative 1. Okay, for this V3 and 4, the minor V3 and V4 from the center of 4 and negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 3 equal to 2. And here 4 negative 1. Okay. Negative 1 minus 3 negative 4. Okay. So you may use any apps that you have from your from internet or maybe from your smartphone. You can use Desmos or Photomath or whatsoever. So by substitute the equation of this, okay, it will strictly give you the shape of the graph, okay, ellipse with the center and vertices and also the focus point F1 and F2. There you go. Okay, we move to the next question then. Find the equation of parabola with a vertex of negative 1, 3 and focus of negative 1, 4. Okay, the vertex is negative 1, 3 and focus is negative 1, 4. Sketch the graph by labeling the vertex, focus and directrix. Find the equation of the parabola. Okay, so y and x. The vertex is negative 1, okay, negative 1 and 3 here. This is V, okay, and the focus is negative 1 and 4. This is the focus. So the distance between the focus and the vertex here is 1 unit. Okay. Okay, class, I ask you, if this is the vertex and this is the focus, is the graph will be something like this? No. What about this? What about this? Okay, like this. Focus is always inside the parabola. So this is not it. Okay, what about this? The focus is outside the parabola. So means that this is not it. Okay, this is not. And what about this? Again, the focus point here is not inside the parabola. So this is not it. This is not the answer. Meaning, the only one here is something like this. Okay. So this is the parabola with a vertex of negative 1 and 3 and focus negative 1 and 4. So the distance from this point to this point is 1. So P equal to 1. Okay. And the directrix, of course, the distance from this 3 to the 1 unit here, and we have assumed that this is 2 here now. Okay. So the directrix line will be something like this. Y equal to 2. Then the directrix, y equal to 2. Okay. Find the equation of the parabola. So this is the equation of x minus h squared equal to 4p y minus k. The vertex is negative 1 and 3. So x minus negative 1, x plus 1 square equal to p equal to 1. 1 times 4 equal to 4 times 1 and y minus 3. Okay, so it is 4y minus 3x plus 1 square. There you go. Sketch the graph by labeling the vertex, focus and directrix. There you go. So simple. Okay. And find the equation of the circle, okay, with x squared plus y squared. plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, which passes through the point of A, 0, 1, B, 3, negative 2, and C, negative 1 and 4. Determine the center and for radius, find the points of intersection, circle with the y-axis. Okay, one by one. So it means that here, at the point of A, 0 and 1, we will substitute the value of x and y into the xy of this equation. So 0 squared is 0 plus 1 squared. 2 times 0, okay, 2 times gx and 0 here, 2g with x, 0 plus 2fy equal to 1 plus c equal to 0. So then 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0, equation 1. Okay. At the point of B, okay, 3 and negative 2. So 3 squared, 2 negative 2 squared, 3 squared is 9 plus negative 2 squared equal to 4, 2 times 3 equal to 6g, 2 times negative 2 minus 4f plus c equal to 0, 6g minus 4f plus c equal to 9 plus 4 is 13, bring this up, become negative 13, equation 2. At the point of C, negative 1 and negative 4, okay, so then negative 1 squared is 1 plus negative 4 squared equal to 16, 2 times negative 1 minus 2g, 2 times negative 4, negative 8f plus c equal to 0, so negative 2g minus 8f plus c equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Bring it here, become negative 17, equation 3. Okay, class, for this one here now, which I think the equation 1 should be something like this. I'll make a correction here. Okay. Okay, 1 will here become negative 1. Okay, so look at this one here now. We got 3 equation 1, 2, 3. But then for equation 1, there are only 2 variables appear here because g times 0 equal to 0. So only what we have here now is f and c. For equation 2 and 3, we got gfc and gfc. So I think that I'm going to make some adjustment operation between equation 2 and 3. I'm going to eliminate the g. Okay, so then there will be of f and c finally appear, so that we can make a comparison operation with equation 1. Okay, so before that, if equation 3 multiplied with 3, negative 2 times 3, negative 2 times 3 equal to negative 6g. Okay, negative 8 times 3, negative 24f plus 3c equal to, okay, negative 17 times 3. 17 times 3, negative 51, equation 4. Okay, so then equation 2, okay, 6g, negative 6g. So then make it one as equation 2 plus equation 4. 6g minus 4f plus c equal to negative 13, and negative 6g minus 24f plus 3c equal to negative 51. Okay, addition here. So positive times negative is negative. So 6g minus 6g, 0. Positive with negative, negative. So negative 4 with negative 24, negative 28f. C plus 3c equal to 4c. Then negative 13. Positive times negative is negative. So negative 13 minus 51. 13 plus 51 equal to negative 64. Okay, so we may compare this equation with equation 1 here right now. What we have here is f and c, f and c. So different, we call different the point of A, B, C given in the question sometimes make us to treat it differently from other question. It's similar to this question of this with the 3 points of A and B and C, but sometimes we need to treat it differently from other question. Okay, so now for this one here, we got 2f and 28f, c and 4c. What if I make this one here equation 1 multiplied with 4? Okay, so then it gives us 2f times 4 equal to 4 times 2 equal to 8f plus 4c equal to negative 4. Make this, okay, equation 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equation 5 and make this one as an equation 6. Okay, so 4 minus 4, equation 5 minus equation 6, negative 28f plus 4c equal to negative 64, 8f plus 4c equal to negative 4. Okay, 5 minus 6. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So then, negative and negative, 28. Negative 28 minus 8, negative 36f equal to negative times negative equal to positive. Negative 64 plus 4, negative 60. Then f equal to negative 60 divided by negative 36. 60 divided by 6 equal to 10 and 6 or 5 over 3. Okay, let me check for a while. Okay, so let's keep the information first or answer. So where f equal to 5 over 3. So substitute f 5 over 3 into equation 1, for example. Okay. 2f, where f is 5 over 3 plus c equal to negative 1. So 2 times 5 equal to 10 over 3 plus c equal to negative 1. Then c equal to negative 1 minus 10 over 3. Over 3 means that this one is 3 over 3 minus 10 over 3, which is equal to negative 3 minus 10, negative 13 divided by 3. Okay. And then we're going to find out the value of g. Value of g, let's say if I clear this. Okay, clear this, which I think that all of you please copy it up for the notes earlier. Okay. Okay, so then c equal to negative 13 divided by 3. Okay, and then substitute into equation, let's say equation 2 here. Okay, so into equation 2, 6g minus 4 f equal to 5 over 3 plus c, c is negative, minus 13 over 3 equal to negative 13. Okay, so then 6g equal to negative 13, negative 5 times 4 equal to 20. So plus 20 over 3 plus 13 over 3. Or this one here, make it everything over 3 here. Okay, so negative 13 times 3, negative 39 plus 20 plus 13 equal to, okay, so 20 plus 13 minus 39. Negative 6 divided by 3 equal to negative 2. Okay, so wait. 6 negative 6 over 3 equal to negative 2, which is 6g. Then g equal to negative 2 divided by 6, negative 1 over 3. So keep answers here, g equal to negative 1 over 3. So now substitute L, G, F, and C to the equation. X squared plus Y squared plus 2G. G is negative 1 over 3X plus 2F 5 over 3Y plus C minus 13 over 3 equal to 0. Okay, so x squared plus y squared, this is negative, so 2 times 1 over 3, negative 2 over 3x plus 10 over 3y minus 13 over 3 equal to 0, multiplied with 3. All of this, to eliminate these 3, there's a denominator here, they come up with 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 2x plus 10y minus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Sorry. It's almost the end. But like this, okay, we are going to find out recall the center and the radius. The center radius, which I think that, okay, from here, okay, from the equation of this, from the equation given here, okay, it's still a long journey because we need to recall, okay. Clear this. Okay, I'm going to use this equation that inside this bracket here, x squared minus 2 over 3x plus y squared plus 10 over 3y minus 13 over 3 equal to 0. Why? I'm going to use that we call completing the square as a process of to find the center and the radius. Even though we might use the other method to find the center, which is using the G and F Okay, wait. The center and the radius, center of H and K is a negative G and negative F. So then the center here, negative G is negative 1 over 3, so negative G is 1 over 3 and F is negative 5 over 3. Okay, we don't need to use what we call completed square for this part here. Okay, so for the center of this circle here is 1 over 3 and negative 5 over 3. Okay, class, for center, we're complete now. C, H, and K equal to negative G and negative F, which is, according to this one here, negative 1, G is negative 1 over 3, so negative G become 1 over 3, and here. So now, the radius equal to square root of, okay, G square plus F square minus C. So G is negative 1 over 3 square plus F 5 over 3 square minus C, which is negative 13 over 3. Okay, so then 1 over 9 plus 25 over 9, negative become positive, so 13 over 3. Okay, so change this with denominator of 9 with here, so 3 times 3 equal to 9, so 13 times 3 equal to 39. Okay, so 39 plus 25 plus 1 equal to 665. Square root of 65 divided by 9, or square root of 65 divided by 3. Okay. Now, the last final question of this one, if I clear this and this one here, okay, I'm sorry if we call using maximize, we call usage of the one page, that sometimes I need to delete and clear some, make you all of you confused. I do hope that it's not all of you clear with my explanation here. Okay, now find the point of intersection of the circle with the y-axis. When any graph or function or circle intersect at y, so then intersection with the y-axis means that x equal to 0. Okay, so when x equal to 0, we will refer to this equation. So then when x equal to 0 here, 0, 0. So then we got 3y squared plus 10y minus 13 equal to 0. Okay, you may use factorization, completed square, or formula. We got 3y and y here, 30. Let's say if I use the formula, okay, y equal to negative b, negative 10 plus minus square root of b squared, 10 squared minus 4a, and c is negative 13 divided by 2 times 3. Okay, negative 10 plus minus square root of b squared, 100. Negative with negative become positive. So then 4 times 3 equal to 12 times 13, 156. 156 divided by 6. Okay, negative 10 plus minus square root of 256. Square root of 256 equal to 16. Okay, 100 plus 156 equal to 256. So square root of 256 equal to 16 divided by 6, which means that it is negative 10 plus 16 equal to 6. 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. And negative 10 minus 16 equal to negative 26 divided by 6. Negative 26 divided by 6. So x equal to 0. First is 0 and y equal to 1. And also 0, y equal to 26 divided by 6. Negative. Okay. So, yes, I hope all of you understood. It might be sometimes make recall of you confused with my recall, the explanation when I maximize all one page with all explanation here, where sometimes I need to delete and clear, but okay, try to understand it. So please do not just stop it here. Try with the rest of the questions. And that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And have a nice day.